Pri's gone. She went to Japan for an official visit on a sushi festival, I think. Anyways, no, just kidding. She's there for some work. But she'll be back by the end of the week, hopefully. But anyways, we're gonna be having some fun. We're gonna try to do one activity, maybe two, every day for this week. We're just gonna do 5 days. But let's go see what we can do today. Maybe something fun. He wants a snack. Let's go see what we can do. What do you want? Snack? He wants a peanut butter sandwich. I got a peanut butter sandwich, a snack. You want some more? What's this, Riko? Oh, so this is this little book that he got for a gift from someone. Riko really likes this song. It's my feet, my knees, my shoulders, my head. I mean, the song's okay, it's pretty cool, but it seems a little outdated. So let's take this original song, let's replay it, and maybe we can throw some AI in there, and we'll come up with a new modernized version of this song. Well, should we make a remix? Richo?
Mix. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, see if we can remix it. Ready? Paatuod balikat ulo, paatuod balikat ulo, paatuod balikat ulo, paatuod balikat ulo. Okay, so we're gonna take that song that we just recorded with the ukulele, and we're gonna upload it to Suno, which is a really cool AI-based music generation software / website. So what it's doing is taking the reference audio which I recorded with Riko, and it's basically creating versions of it based off the style. So this is basically how you can generate really fun things with it. It's so much fun. Check it out. Okay, after a couple tries, I think we got the right song. Let's go ahead and play it and see what he thinks. So the day's almost gone by completely, and I think it's about time to eat some dinner. Let's go eat. Whoa, that is so dangerous. What are you doing? What the heck? Where'd you even get that? What are you doing? You brought all this dirt in the house? Richo! What is this? Richo? Okay, so this is now day 2 of hanging out with this little buddy right here. And it's been a long morning, trying to do some work if I can. A little bit here and there while he kind of plays, and then I play with him and he does some work too. But anyways, right now we're eating some eggs for lunch.
Eggs. Eggs.
We had some eggs and some tomatoes.
Nana. 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 Nana.
Okay, so slight change of plans. Some friends invited us to go surfing. Kind of just hang out at the beach. I don't know if we'll surf, maybe. Just bring a board to see how it goes. But yeah. So, yeah. So instead of hiking today, maybe we'll do that tomorrow. But instead, we're gonna go to the beach just up the road, and maybe we'll catch some waves and maybe reach up.
Beach. 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 Beach.
Alright, so we got the board up. This is the most ghetto thing I've ever had in my life. But yeah, we actually got this off the street, and Yeah, only have short boards, so this works for now. All buckled in, let's go. All right, so we finally left the house. It feels so good to get out, and hopefully the beach will be pretty fun. And maybe we'll see something good. So we're on our way. It's still sunny, it's no rain. It's a little bit warm. It's October, but it is what it is.
My best friend is the bus. It goes around the town. I ride it all around. It picks me
Are you
up
ready to
from
go
where
surf?
I'm feeling down. Ooh, my best friend is the bus. I talk to people on it. They tell me life is hard, but either way we keep rolling on. I try to let my worries swim away, no hurry. We watch as we roll past stops. It takes some time to realize that time always slips away when I'm riding it all day. Ooh, my best friend is the bus. It goes around the town. I ride it all around. It picks me up from where I'm feeling down.
Hey, Riko. What's up? Are you ready to go on a hike?
Hi.
Yeah, a hike. Now that nap time is over, we need to get out of the house and let's go explore some nature. So let's go ahead and get our stuff ready and jump in the car, and we'll see you at the beginning of the hike. Woo! All right, so we just made it to the bottom of the trail and we're gonna go hike. There's a lot of planes all around us, airplanes. And yeah, hopefully we can make some good time. The gate closes at 6 and hopefully we won't be here that long. Airplane. And this side of the island, it's always so quiet. It's a lot less busy. There's way less people. It's actually very nice.
People.
Not a lot of people.
What?
So growing up, my parents would take me hiking a lot. Sometimes crazy, rigorous. Sometimes pretty chill and easy. I just remember always being like kind of tired. My legs would hurt at the end of the hike and I want to eat. But deep down inside, I appreciated it a lot. I just like being outside, feeling the fresh air, nature, animals, of course, the view. And hopefully this little Riko, he'll appreciate it too someday, eventually, maybe. But yeah, it's great. If you haven't gone hiking in a while, get out and go do it. You want to walk, right? Did you find something cool? So I don't know how much farther we have to go to get to the top, but if you notice, the edges and the sides of this trail can be extremely dangerous. So whenever you're going on these hikes, make sure to keep an eye always on your foot and the foot right in front of you, because you never know, one small slide, people actually die. And it's pretty sad, but it can be preventable as long as you're smart about it and you take care, especially with little ones. Be extra careful. Cool, say cool. Wow, okay, so we made it up pretty far, but looks like we're gonna have to turn back now because it's getting a little late and we wanna make sure that we have enough time to actually get back down the mountain. We're gonna make some quick food. So tonight we're gonna have some organic pasta. Every night we try to eat around 5 to 5:30. Tonight we're eating a little bit late. It's actually 6 something. Pretty soon I gotta give him a bath, put his PJs on, read him a story, and then put him straight to bed. Riko, what do you think of the food? Is it good? Mmm, good. Yeah! This little guy did not take his nap today. He was crying the whole time, or he was staring at the stars on the wall and the moon, but he just wouldn't want to sleep. I was watching him on the cam and he didn't sleep. We're gonna jump in the car and we're gonna go to Costco, get some supplies such as noni juice, Vegemite, maybe one of those. We're also gonna go to the print store and we get some images printed so we can have some cool wall art. And we're gonna get some cardboard and some other materials from Costco and do a cool art project. Who's there? Kiko, what are you doing? Ready to go? Let's go! Got Riko a little nap. He's so hungry. Okay, so we finally just got out of Office Depot. We went to FedEx and we were just getting some stuff printed, and it's such a hassle. They wouldn't even read the USB. It takes forever to send an email. Just do it one by one. Whew, I'm so glad I'm done with that. Yay, yay, yay. What's this?
Orange.
You want orange?
Open.
Open. Alright, so we made it back home. It was a little bit too late to actually do the activity I was planning to do with Riko. And he was getting kind of tired. So I had to brush his teeth, put him to bed. There wasn't much time for a bath, so maybe tomorrow. Anyways, tonight I'm just gonna do a little bit of work and then rest a bit. Then tomorrow we'll do a lot of fun things. Ew, it changed his diaper. So this is the paper that we got printed from Office Depot. We're gonna lay these out. There's 6 pages, and the full image will be a photograph of the time that he was playing in the clothes that you saw earlier. Then we'll hang it on the wall so when Pri gets back, she'll have some nice fresh artwork. So if there's ever moments like in your family you see with your kids or whatever, try to capture as much as you can. Look for interesting things because those are the things that will stick out the most later on. And maybe you'll have stories about them. But if you can capture an image of it, it's a good way to remember and just prolong those memories a little bit more. So let's jump into it and start working on this project.
Can I have this?
Wow. Cut paper. Alright, so now we're just kind of piecing together what it could look like.
All the fishies, birds, and trees love it when it's recycled.
So I actually don't have a saw to cut this 5.2 millimeter board. So what I'm gonna use is just this utility knife. And if you score it a couple times down the same line, you flip it over and score it in the same spot. Eventually you can kind of break it apart and it leaves a really nice clean line. You just gotta sand the edges a little bit when you're done. Alright, there we go. Alright, so that's kind of what it will look like before I put the glue on. Alright, we're using this wood glue here. That's pretty good. So I marked it with a pencil where the paper actually goes. Just put that back in alignment. Alright, so there's our first square. Let's do the rest. So we can just put it up. I just put a thin strip of wood on the back, and then I have 2 pins underneath it that hold it up. Who's that? Kiko.
Kiko. What?
I got inspired to make this banana on the wall, partly because of the multi-million-dollar banana that was sold as art. So we're gonna make our own version here because Riko loves bananas, and Pri will probably get mad that there's a banana on the wall, but whatever. Maybe we'll do some cool sticker on it too as well. Alright, good morning. So today is our last day before Pri comes back. We need to do some things. We gotta clean the house, and then we gotta finish a project that we started yesterday. But first we need to go on a walk. We're gonna go to the place where all the chickens live. There's like a little lot where the chickens claim as their homeland. But today we forgot the bread, so they anticipated, but they didn't receive anything. It's a little sad, but it's all good. Whoa, chickens.
It's early in the morning and the sun just popped. Let's head over the mountain. I can see that you're sleepy. I'm not sleepy, but we gotta get up, get out. I'll grab my slippers and a banana on and carry you out the
We have these 4 pieces of cardboard, different banana shapes, which we're gonna connect. And then once we connect them, then we'll start painting them to give them some color and some look. But how I'm gonna connect them is with some hot glue. This stuff is amazing. It just dries so quickly, and it will keep the cardboard together and strong so that we can create the ultimate banana. Here's the unpainted banana. We're gonna throw some paint on here. Riko got tired and wanted to watch some TV. Just a little bit. Alright, so I'm just painting a primer so that when the paint goes on, it stays better. Just gonna be white for now. Yellow, black, maybe a little brown. We'll mix some colors, maybe some green. And now we'll start painting this. Alright, so here it is, painted it. Let's make a quick sticker, something that we can have fun with. And we'll be done. Check it out, it says Riko Bananas. And then I put it onto the actual banana. So we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it above his crib so that when he sleeps and wakes up in the morning, he can be happy because he sees a banana, and then he can go straight to the kitchen and eat a banana. So let's put this up. We have a little wall hook here. Just put that on like so. Give it a little tilt. Yeah, that looks good.
Banana. Banana.
Is that a banana? Whoa!